As I stood in the driveway watching my wife's family unload their bags from the car, a familiar knot twisted in my stomach. I had been married to Sarah for 3 years, and each family gathering felt like stepping onto a battlefield. Her parents and siblings had a knack for making me feel small, whether it was through backhanded compliments or outright dismissiveness. Today, I decided, would be different. "Hi, Rick. Still working at that little tech startup?" her father sneered, as he greeted me with a tight-lipped smile. I took a deep breath, suppressing the urge to retort. Instead, I smiled and nodded, reminding myself that I had a plan. As the evening unfolded, the usual jabs flew my way. "You know, it's great that you're supporting Sarah's career," her sister chimed, "but I always thought you'd be the one to bring in the big bucks." Laughter erupted around the table, and I could feel my face flush, but I held my tongue, waiting for the right moment. After dinner, as we settled into the living room, I casually mentioned that I'd been working on a project that was just about to launch. "Oh, really? What's it about?" Sarah's brother asked, barely concealing his skepticism. "Just a little app that helps users manage their finances and investments," I replied, trying to keep my tone light. Her family exchanged skeptical glances, and I felt the familiar irritation rising. It was time to execute my plan. "Actually, I just got a call from a venture capital firm interested in investing. They're flying in next week to discuss it further." I watched their expressions shift from disbelief to curiosity. "Really? That sounds promising," her father said, leaning forward now. "What's the name of the app?" "Invest Smart," I replied, my heart racing. "I'll send you the link once it's live. It should be a big hit." The room buzzed with newfound interest, and I took the opportunity to elaborate. "We've been testing it with focus groups, and the feedback has been fantastic. It's designed to help people make better financial decisions, something I thought might interest you all, given how much you enjoy discussing investments at family dinners." For the first time, I saw respect flicker in their eyes. The conversation shifted, and soon they were asking me detailed questions about the app, genuinely intrigued. I reveled in it, feeling a rush of vindication. As the night wore on, the condescension faded, replaced by a newfound acknowledgement of my efforts. I realized then that it wasn't just about getting back at them. It was about proving my worth, not just to them, but to myself. By the time they left, the atmosphere had shifted. Sarah looked at me with a mix of pride and relief. "You handled that well," she said, squeezing my hand. I smiled, knowing that I had turned the tide, albeit subtly. In that moment, I understood that sometimes the best revenge isn't about confrontation. It's about rising above and letting your success speak for itself.